Worries if you can't afford that fancy name brand vacuum, because Bissell has one that works better at a fraction of the cost. It's a light so you can see what you're vacuuming. You control it by pushing the trigger. Last time you vacuumed up here. Saved money on a vacuum before and just got something that didn't work. The Bissell actually has really strong suction, strong enough to get all the pet hair on your couch. Plus, most of the other vacuums don't come with an attachment like this that you can use to clean your stairs and your pet. Look at my cat. She's like, what the heck? We use this to vacuum every single day, and you would be shocked how much hair actually gets pulled up just inside, just from doing that little bit of stairs. QVC has these vacuums at like a liquidation sale. It's really a good, legit deal that you're getting a wireless cordless vacuum for this cost is crazy. I don't think it'll last long, so I tagged it.